Big cats, such as lions, tigers, and leopards, all look pretty similar, and yet they look quite different from domestic cats, so no, you can't just draw regular cats and scale it up. Other than the bump of the hip, their backs are fairly straight and slope upwards toward the tail. The stomach area will curve down a bit, and probably reach its highest point before connecting with the back legs. The connecting of the stomach area and the back legs form this little curve here. The legs are a lot like I explained in this video. One thing to keep in mind about the back legs is that the top half, above the pointed joint, is longer than the bottom half. As for the head, they typically have larger muzzles than house cats. They have dark spots where the whiskers are, and around the mouth, you'll notice they have dark gums, which are most visible where the lip hangs down at the edge of the mouth. The eyes are small, and unlike domestic cats, which have slit pupils, big cats have round pupils. The ears are small and round, of course, and the nose is big and wide and shaped like this. Here is the basic shape of the head. It's best to think of the neck as part of the head, because the top of the neck and the forehead make up the same curve. Alright, I think that should be enough to get you started. Let me know in the comments what animal you'd like me to cover next.